Okay, so today was a very interesting day. That is what's left of the mess that happened earlier. That occurred with this Coleman cooler. Again. So, not sure how well this is going to come out on camera or not. But I'm going to try. But this Coleman cooler, or the truck. Not sure which one caused the issue. But it ended up in me having to cut the cord. Now, I don't know how well this is going to be visible on camera or not. I already kind of said that. And yes, I did go into violation on my quadcom. If you would like to know more about that or asking questions about that, just throw it in the comments. I'll do a video on it or whatever. But yeah, let's not talk about that. That's old story. Alright. So now I'm sitting on this Coleman cooler. And I'm going to try to show you that this fuse is not blown. And you can't see it very well. So let me do this. Ooh, light. And then do, there you go. Alright, so you can see the fuse wire is in there. But I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a smudge on the glass right there. The glass is actually burned. Okay. Now, why the fuse didn't pop, I'm not sure, but I know there's also a fuse on the outlet that I was using. That fuse didn't pop either. And so I took this apart, of course, to see if the fuse had popped and why it kind of melted the way it did. But long story short, I had electrical fire caused by this, or the truck, where this plugs into, or where this did plug into. Now, as you can see, I took it apart, that's all good. But you can see this right here has welded itself to this, okay? This doesn't want to come off. And let me get that flashlight one more time without trying to blind you guys. You can see that tip is completely melted. Or hopefully you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. That tip melted. And the tip, or damn, I feel like I'm saying the tip a lot. This housing had started to smoke. This is all discolored. You might be able to see that without light. Yeah, kind of. You see how that's all black? Where that's nice and shiny, that's black. That's how much heat was going through this right here. And the cord was also warm. I don't know what caused this. You can see even this is, shiny and not blackened, where that definitely is. So, yeah, this here was a fail. And I kind of don't want to throw it away right now, but oh, I was dropping a lot of these, a lot of F-bombs about it. So, what did I do? Because I got food in there, so I don't want to lose the food. So I decided to run it up to my CB. Here's the cord. And I plugged it in back here, as you can see. Not that wire, it's these other two wires right there. So I plugged it up in there to make it work for now, but it's not fused. So I need to be careful about that. But, oh man, this Coleman cooler. It has done nothing but give me problems. I love it. And I also love to hate it. I need to get these dirty ass gloves off my seat here. But, not seat, bed. God, it's been a long day. That didn't go where I wanted it, but oh well. But man, the one thing I gotta say is I'm happy that I was driving when it happened. It didn't happen when I was, you know, out of my truck having dinner, or I was asleep, or something like that. I mean, that could have easily, you know, burned down the truck. The plastic had just started to ignite. You know, like I said, I saw smoke. It was not cool. But, hey, all's well that ends well, right? I am tired as hell. Just got done driving. Busting butt trying to get here. I have a tight delivery window to make. So I gotta wake up early in the morning to hit that delivery time on time, because that's the way I do things. So this is where I'm going to leave the video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And chances are I'm going to try to put like a clickbait kind of title. So if I got you, you gotta hit that subscribe. So see y'all in the next one.